Back to my channel. So today I will give you the amazing website. So first of all, I will tell you the website name is TRONWWE.net. TRONWWE.net is an amazing website. So first step, you have seen this, the registration, like register, how to get registered. So you have just putting first of all username, email, password, password, then register now. So this is the simple information of tronv.net amazing website. So guys, I will fill all information, then I will tell the next step. So friends, we register website, and you have seen the company give to me latest announcement. You have to read this, the higher VIP level to prove if you have VIP 110 get highest level and daily profit up to 38%. So just you have to confirm it. And VIP 2 daily profit is 505.11 TRX, and VIP recharge 400 TRX. Confirm it. So you have seen this. This is what is Tron, and Tron is the cloud mining platform issued Tron cloud mining and one of the obtained TRX. So you have to read this, and this is the basic account and wallet account. So you have seen this. First step is the investment section. You have seen this. This is the invest, zero recharge, and current level is 0. So guys, so friends, you have seen this is the section. You have to just transaction record my the button, and you have seen this. We have total TRX basic balance is 3600 TRX. So you have to just click the button recharge, and you have seen this is the two account, transfer to wallet account, transfer to basic account. So we choose the transfer to basic account. So we choose TRX. You have seen this, and you have seen this, the payment section is the TRX. You have seen this. So first of all, copy this address. Okay friend, first of all you have to copy and open your wallet account TRC20 and putting there, then you will get your recharge amount. Friends, here we are, the TRX Tron wallet account. So open send the button and paste your address and enter your amount 30 TRX. Okay friend. So friends, we enter amount the 30 TRX amount and next the button. So you have seen this loading for the section, and just confirm it. So you will get your transfer TRX 30 TRX. Confirm it. So friends, we done the 30 TRS demo fee is done, and I will show you my withdraw the demo recharge proof here. So see, you have seen the 30 TRS is complete to recharge. So I will show you my total amount. So you have seen how you charge is 30 is confirm. So guys, again click the button mine, three dot and my the button, and before we have 3600 TRS. Now we done the recharge. We have total amount 360 30 TRX. Now we have time for the withdraw. So you guys have seen this is the bind address here. So you have to just arrow the button. You have to just paste your own address and telegram number and confirm it. So first of all, copy the address of TRS recharge withdraw address. So friends, so here TRX and receive the button and copy back to your site and bind your address and contact. Okay guys, you have to just add it and address, confirm. So you have seen this, enter your amount 30 TRX and you have to bind it, confirm, and just withdraw only. So friends, 5 TRS amount to withdraw. So friends, the section of your trade now. So before withdraw we have to invest to trade. So you have seen go to invest. This is the invest section, and you have seen this progress and go to TRX. And so friends, this is the invest section. You have seen the progress timing 24 hour. Then you will get your the section of you will get your recharge and withdraw amount. So guys, this is the section you have to sharing this. Click the button sharing app. So first of all, the my invitation code. For copy this invitation code and send your friends and family members. They will get rewards many time. This is the level 1, level 2, level 3 section here. and back to the site and earning section. You have seen this is the earning profit record here. You have to collect is 24 hour to joining record here. So you have seen this is the profit record here, and this is you have to back to a site, and I will show you the next step is this is the basic investment here. You have seen this, uh, you have to basic investment computerized, and you have seen computer power is daily earning 11%, 9%. There are a lot of VIPs, VIP1, VIP2, VIP3, VIP4, VIP9 and VIP10 and section and daily. So first basic VIP1 here. So you have seen this, so daily profit and daily rewards here. So this is the section of market center. You have seen we have a lot of currencies here, earning withdrawals here, amount and partners here, Binance and Coinify, Max and Caron, and a lot of partners here, Tron, the social media account, Facebook, Twitter, and a lot of Binance here, and about us information of your common the section. You have the community, and you have to detail if the common problems here, and or of official information here. So you have seen this, and this is the about us of if you have to any problem, then you have to read this all information of this website and buy cryptocurrencies here. And this is the section of recharge tutorial here, and this is the manufacture 2024, and again three dot, and this is the team section here. You have seen this commission and total recharge and invitation code count here, and then again this is the information of this website. You have to read all information of this website here. Again back to the site, and this is the withdraw section, already I told you, and this is the top up and home section. Hope you guys like this website, and if you have any problem, then click on headphone, they solve your all problem through Telegram. And again my other section, and this is the recharge code here. You have seen this is the recharge successful, investment record here, and transaction history and earning section here. You have seen collected, and back to the site, share and setting here. If you have any, then you can change your password change and invitation code here. So hope you guys well. See you to in the next project. Take care.